Hey, I am Terrence, your favorite computer concierge with Computers Plus, and I am in Woodstock, Georgia. Yes, Woodstock, Georgia of the new Computers Plus USA store. Yes, Woodstock, we're here ready to help you guys out as far as solving all your technical needs, laptop, desktop, all these things, all these devices that we use on an everyday basis, that we store our pictures, our documents, our work, our business. We are here for your technical needs and technical support. I'm Terrence. We're here in Woodstock, Georgia. We can't wait to be fully open and operational. So we are going to be here for you. This is the franchisee in the back. He's popping in, he's popping out.
Come out and see us. We're gonna have a great time.
Yes, we're gonna be awesome. We're gonna be here in the now Cherokee County community. The Cherokee County community. We got Cobb, Bartow, we love you. We're coming, Cherokee. We're coming. We are here to help you guys. We're so happy. Thank you guys for tuning in with Terrence, your computer concierge, with Computer Plus in Woodstock. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.